Hi everyone. So today we're going to talk about the different views that a map can have and how custom map layers can be associated with each one kind of view. So this is what we call a map home view. This is what we call a category view. And this is what we call a location view. So as you see, each view has one or many layers associated with it. So if we go, for instance, here to the map home, you see the three layers, the layer that's in red, in yellow, and green, each one representing a different neighborhood in the map. If we go to a specific category like area C, we see that only that layer for that specific neighborhood is there. And if we go even further and click on a location, now we see two layers, the one for the neighborhood and the one for the building that we want to highlight in a specific. It's the same if we go to a different location, we will be able to see the two of them. Now, going back to the editor, here's where you can assign each one of them. If you want to assign it to the map home view, then you go to the drawings menu here and you assign the relevant ones here. If you want to assign it to a category, then you go to that specific category, you again open the drawings feature and you assign it here. And if you want to assign it to a specific location, then you go to that specific location, you click on drawings, and you assign it here.